Let me teach you about airport math. If you buy your ticket 1 month in advance, it's expensive. But if you buy your ticket 6 months in advance, it's free because by now you would have forgotten about it. Airport math. If you arrive to the airport 3 hours early, you're on time. If you arrive 1 hour early, you're late. And if you're on time, everyone will judge you. Airport math. If you're watching videos before your flight, 30 minutes feels like 5. But if you're sitting next to someone that's loudly watching videos, 30 minutes feels like 60. Airport math! And finally, if you don't look at your bank account while you travel, you're never broke. Airport math!